from the Gulf Stream. I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, and the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, beneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that comes around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man down from Chicago is gonna set that levee right. Says it needs to be about 3 feet high if it's gonna make it through the night. The old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be gone by morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, beneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that comes around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Thank you. Thank you. Lots of people showing up.